Grade 7 Geography. Unit 4 Natural Hazards and Disasters. Several disasters. What do you mean by hazards and disasters? Natural phenomena that may cause damages to community or property are hazards. A hazard is a continuous process. If such incidents affect either the community or property, they become a disaster. Hazard. Disaster. Natural disasters. Floods. Floods are common natural disaster in our country. These are common in districts like Galle, Matara, Kalutara, Ratnapura, Colombo, Gampaha, Ampara, Batticaloa, Polonnaruwa. Reasons for floods: heavy rain, clearing of forest in hilly areas, reclamation of lower lands, sand mining in river valleys. Results for floods: floods bring death, properties are damaged, destruction of cultivations, spread of diseases, natural beauty lost, development of country is disturbed. Droughts. What is a drought? The dry condition that prevails for a long period in a certain area. Reasons for droughts: decrease of rainfall over a long period, setting fire to forest, dry wind currents, removal of vegetation cover. Districts in Sri Lanka where droughts are occur: Jaffna, Kilinochchiya, Mullaitivu, Mannar, Hambantota, etc. Impacts on man due to droughts: scarcity of water, scarcity of food, damage to animals, spread of epidemics. Impacts on the environment: occurrence of bushfire, destruction of forest, infertility of soil, damage to natural beauty. Earth slips. Natural causes for earth slips: heavy rain, lands with steep slope, earthquakes. Human activities which influence for earth slips: setting fire to the forest in mountainous areas, improper use of land in mountainous areas, blocking of natural waterways, storing of water in highlands. Damages due to earth slips: loss of lives and properties, destruction of the environment, destruction of the cultivation, impairment of normal life. Unit 4 Natural Hazards and Disasters. Cyclones. What is a cyclone? The hard blowing wind while spinning fast in a spiral is known as a cyclone or storm. What are the climatic features influence for the origin of cyclone? High temperatures in a tropical zone and development of low pressure centers. Where is the origin of cyclones? Bay of Bengal. Which zone is important for the influence of cyclones? Bay of Bengal. Which regions are efficiented highly from cyclones? Northern and eastern province of Sri Lanka. Damages from cyclones: destruction of cultivations, flooding of seas in coastal areas, loss of lives and properties due to the heavy rains and strong winds. Thunderbolts, lightning. What is a thunderbolt? Discharging of an electric current between two opposite charges due to the electric phenomena that occur in a cloud is known as a thunderbolt. Months are important for thunderbolts: March, April, October, November. Damages of lightning: loss of lives and properties, breaking down of electric cable system, destruction of houses, breaking down of communication network. How can you prevent from thunderbolt accidents? Keep away from open places when there are thunder showers. Keep away from tall trees. Avoid traveling during such occasions. Disconnect all domestic electric current. Do not use telephones. Do not construct building under high tension electric lines. In-house constructions, installing of electric circuits should safety be done by a skilled technician. Tsunami. Define what is a tsunami. The waves that travel fast towards the coast due to the occurrence of earthquakes, earth slips, or volcanic eruptions in the seabed are called as tsunami. Causes for tsunami: earthquakes, earth slips, volcanic eruptions occur in the seabed. When did tsunami condition affect Sri Lanka? On 26th of December 2004. Damages from tsunami: loss of lives, mental stress caused in people, displacement of people. How can we escape from a tsunami? Be alert about tsunami warnings. Do not stay close to the sea to look at the receding of sea during the tsunami condition. Go to a safe, higher place as soon as possible. Earthquakes. What is an earthquake? A sudden tremor that occurs in the earth during to the high temperature in the interior of the earth and changes in pressure is known as earthquake. Reasons for earthquakes: nuclear explosions, volcanic eruptions, high temperature in the earth and changes in pressure. Damages from earthquakes: loss of lives and properties, displacement of people, slowing down of day-to-day activities. Facing disasters. What are the three main steps in the disaster management cycle? Preparedness, response, recovery. Three steps regarding to the basic steps in the management cycle. Preparedness. Protect the forest cover, protect the catchment areas, fix lightning conductors to the buildings. Response. Face the disaster strongly, collect victims to safe places, avoid consuming polluted and contaminated food. Recovery. Identify problems, establish emergency disaster centers, provide relief to the victims. Global climatic changes. What do you mean by climate? Long-term or short-term changes that happen in the general climatic pattern is known as climatic changes. Reasons for climatic changes: destruction of forest, warming of the atmosphere, volcanic eruptions. Harmful effects due to the destruction of coastal ecosystems: inundation of coastal lands, pollution of drinking water, increase in coastal erosions. Harmful effects due to the heavy rain: floods and earth slips, loss of lives and properties. Harmful effects due to the increase of temperature: occurrence of droughts, scarcity of water, decrease in harvest. Actions taken to minimize the climatic changes: minimize deforestation, establish forest recovers, solid waste management, making people aware, pass laws to stop irregular constructions. Thank you. Please subscribe us and click the bell icon. Put a like and a comment to this video.